Dear students, dear colleagues, distinguished guests, it's a great honor for me to introduce yourself the Szeged Scientists Academy Secondary Development Plan. I'm Sándor, the Deputy Head of the Secondary School Project. The Secondary School Education Program aims to develop secondary school students, to help them to develop their knowledge, their practical skills in order to prepare them for the university years, to become probably a very good scientist in the future. This program is part of the Szeged Scientists Academy established in 2013, and our plans are for 20 years now. Our secondary school education plan is a kind of invitation to a nice journey. We invite secondary school students in their 9th or 10th year, all of them who has a curiosity for the science, the field of science, a courage to learn new things, to learn unknown things, and also who are able to and ready to cooperate with other students, teachers, and colleagues. Our main aim to lead them into the fantastic world of science, especially in the field of biology. This biology research is an amazing landscape which contains a lot of miracles to learn and a lot of miracles to discover. You will find here enthusiastic people for their area of science who are very practiced, very experienced in their field, and who will lead you into the world of making science. As we compared our plan to a kind of journey, we should speak about the mean of transportation. Who are the crew in this plan, in this program? We have 12 plus 2 districts of Hungary, which contains a lot of schools led by Szegedi senior teachers. These 12 districts cover the whole area of Hungary, and even there are 2 districts in those countries where Hungarian population live, in Serbia and in Romania as well. Your main leaders are your own teachers, biology teachers in the school, who are already Szegedi teachers. We call them in this program Szegedi teachers. And they are informed about the part of the programs by the Szegedi senior teachers who lead each district. What can we offer? We can offer a distance learning opportunity with a blended type of education. This means that sometimes you can have some interesting tasks which refer to certain texts with which you are provided with. And also you can participate at different laboratory sessions, different lectures by Szegedi researchers, and also the 2 annually conferences at Szeged. Usually we have it in Szeged. In this year, we had it in an online form. In these conferences, you have the opportunity to meet Nobel laureates such as Tim Hunt this year. You can see here the 12 districts and the lot of schools who already provided some students to this program. We have now more than 1,000 pupils applied and participate in this program who are coming from this large number of schools. What is about our aim? Our aim is to have a two-level education. At the first level, we call it standard level course. You will be aware of the main parts of biology, research. This standard level course is led by your senior teachers I've mentioned before, who organize events, local events in their schools, and they organize lectures, laboratory sessions for you, and they gather all students from their districts. At the second level, the top 60 students can apply, and they will participate at advanced level course organized by the educational centers of the whole Szeged Scientists Academy, mainly in Szeged and Hódmezővásárhely. In these schools, in Szeged and Hódmezővásárhely, you will have the opportunity to make sophisticated experiments which are far over the usual secondary school knowledge. And you can use equipments, devices, which is not available in your school usually. So, what to do if you want to join our program? Now you are participating at the conference in your 10th or 9th year. This is the enter gate during this journey. After that, if you did not do it yet, you should apply by your district senior teacher who will register your application and who will lead you into the following events. So the standard level course will be led by them, by the senior teachers, and they will offer you a lot of types of activities, as we mentioned, lectures, laboratory sessions, or distance learning activities as well. So where can you conclude to? This is the aim, the goal of our journey at the end of your 11th year in your school. What does it mean? You will have to apply for a complex assessment, which is done by partially by your senior teachers and also by the national centers of this program. You should participate at the sessions announced by the senior teachers very actively. They will evaluate, they will assess your participation level, and you will receive some homeworks you should send in later on based on the instructions of your senior teacher. And of course, this complex assessment contains a test through which we try to assess your research abilities, your knowledge to start a research. At the advanced level education, in the national educational centers of this program, you can learn those things which are not covered at the local, at the district level of this educational plan. And the final part of this whole development plan is the conference at your 12th year, at which you will have the opportunity to meet Szegedi students, university students, and also you can visit the laboratories of Szegedi researchers, Szegedi genius researchers who can show you how can you join their research work later on during your university years. So these are some examples for the opportunities we offer. You can see here on the left side a conference in which roundtable session is happening, and also another roundtable session is on the right up corner, and you can see laboratory practical at the left right bottom corner. And the main message what we would like to tell you is that it is worth to work hard and to discover new things. And as Marcel Proust says, the real voyage of discovery consists not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes. We wish you to have these new eyes and to discover as many things as you want in the field of scientific research. Thank you for your attention. Come and join us.